back to Mansarovar. The 9th-day trip wraps up in the camp. The visitors spend their 10th day of the trip relaxing and watching turquoise and tranquil water of Mansarovar. The night of 11th day is spent at Paryang. On the 12th day, visitors arrive at Saga, and after a night stay, they move towards Nyalam on the 13th day. Leaving Kodari on the way. Finally, the visitors arrive to Kathmandu on 14th day. Kathmandu, the city of temples, where the gods dwell. Possessed with a wealth of sacred sites, it is indeed a heaven for pilgrims. Besides Pasupatinath, which is revered as one of the most sacred Hindu shrines in the world, Bodhanath and Swayambhunath, sites listed in the World Heritage Site list, is also located in Kathmandu. So, it is considered that holy trip is not completed without visiting Swayambhunath, Pasupatinath, Guheshwari and Bodhanath, which covers 15 days tour package of pilgrims. Sixteenth day is to see off the visitors at the airport, hoping to see them back in the next year. Muktinath, one of the most important places of pilgrimage, held sacred by Hindus and Buddhists. The main shrine is a pagoda-shaped temple dedicated to Lord Vishnu. Set into the wall around it are 108 water spouts. The Jwalamai temple nearby contains a spring and an eternal flame fed by natural gas spewing out of the ground. Muktinath at an altitude of 3,750 meters above the sea level, is situated in north-central region of Nepal on the Annapurna Circuit trekking trail. The journey to this holy pilgrimage spot ride begins from Pokhara via helicopter flight. This tour can be arranged by using normal flight from Pokhara, Jomsom, Pokhara, and by walk or by using horse from Jomsom to Muktinath and back. The day first is to arrive at Pokhara and get relaxed in the hotel. Second day begins with helicopter flight directing to Muktinath. After prayers, completing puja and other religious performances, on the same day, they return back to Pokhara. Relaxing at the hotel, one can enjoy remaining time with sightseeing and boating at the Fewa Lake. The third day concludes with return journey to starting point, that is the airport or bus terminal. Every year, thousands of pilgrims visit the holy spot Mount Kailas, and Manasarovar is also the destination where thousands of pilgrims endorse their booking for their visit to Muktinath and Damodar Kund as well. Though the journey to Mount Kailas and Muktinath is not simple and easy, but well managed and well operated tour packages, the yatra becomes more easier, comfortable and memorable as well.